In a previous video, you saw me put the smackdown on CD-ROMs and USB sticks, and this blanket is going to hit every user on this computer. But what if you had one user that you trusted, like a doctor or somebody in your sales team that you said, look, we know and recognize that you need to use USB sticks. In fact, you should use any USB stick you want. Well, you can do that. So let's go ahead and show. This is the USB stick I found in the parking lot. Let me go ahead and unplug that. And now I'm going to plug in a USB stick that they own, okay, or that you provided for them, either one. All right, so when that happens, of course, we're going to get the block message because we've blocked everything. This is a different USB stick, but let's go ahead and take a look at, we can see it here in Windows. Windows, this is a IT encrypted USB stick, okay? And if we take a look, what's on here? Well, a bunch of PDFs and PowerPoints and some graphics and cool stuff. But the problem is that there's no way for them to read it, right? Because you go ahead and that doesn't work because you've blocked everything. Or if you try to copy it to the desktop, that's not going to work because again, you've blocked everything. So in this video, what I want to show you how to do is to trust one user to do the right thing. So how do we do that? Right-click, add a new policy here, and the item that you're after is allow specific users to use all devices. If you think that's too wide open, then just watch the next video where I'm going to show you how to allow users to use specific devices. But this one is allow users to use all devices. I'm going to add a domain member here. That guy who's currently logged on, he's eSalesUser1. Okay, and you could pick a user or a group here. So I'm going to pick eSalesUser1. Can do, well, you pick the access level. This is the real superpower of PolicyPak Device Manager. Smacking it down and opening it up just the least amount of privileges required to do their job. If they only need read access to this USB stick, let's go ahead and do that. So go ahead and click next, and now they can read anything on any USB stick that they have, either ones that they have or ones that they find. Okay, so if you want something more intense than that, that's the next video. I'm just showing you how you can trust one person for that. Now again, I have the pop-up showing up every time a policy changes just for demonstrations here. You can see that we have agreed now to let the person get to the CD-ROM, right? Because that counts as a device. And same thing for the USB stick. So here we go. So they've got read for the CD-ROM and read for the USB stick. So on the USB stick now, I didn't have to unplug it or do anything. Let's just go ahead and double click that same item. What do we get? Boom. Now we have read access to the USB stick just the way we want it to. If you wanted to take an item from the USB stick and drag it over to the desktop, there we go. That succeeds. If you want to try to copy it back to make another one, well, we didn't say you could do that, so that's going to be blocked. If you want to change the behavior and give the person more access, you're welcome to do that. You just go to the user and group settings, change the permission for the particular user for what they can do, and we can do read and write or execute or full access. I'll just use full access just for fun. Go ahead and click save there, and we'll do another quick GP update. And then when this is all caught up, you should be able to take any item and copy it to the USB stick, and you're off to the races. So this is opening up the doggy door, saying one person is sanctioned to do all the things with USB sticks and CD-ROMs. Okay, so now that that's all done, let's go ahead and if I were to copy this in, it should just make another copy just like it would regularly in Windows. Yep, so let's go ahead. So do that. I can replace that file, or I can take a file from the desktop and just copy it into my USB stick. And that's, I already have that file, so I'll just take one more thing. Here we go. Try this guy. Here we go. All right, and there we go. I've copied stuff back and forth. I've given myself full access. If I want to be able to delete something, I can certainly do that too. I'll go ahead and delete this file as well because I've given myself I've given this particular user full access. So if you think that is too much access, go ahead and check out the next video where I'm going to show you how you can allow one user to have specific access to a specific USB stick by serial number. Okay, so that's even more cranking it down. Okay, hope this video helps you out. Looking forward to getting you started with PolicyPak real soon. Thanks.